Hi, in the previous video we looked at making a voltage divider circuit. In this video we're going to run a simulation to check the voltages, the currents and the power dissipation across the circuit. So press the run symbol and a new window will pop up. Now go to the DC operating point tab and press OK. The simulation will run and you will immediately see the voltages and currents in the circuit. Now if you close this window, you can also probe around in the circuit, like our voltage supply 10 volts, and 10 volts divided by 2 is 5 volts, and ground is obviously 0 volts. Now if you mouse over or hover over the circuit elements, in the lower left of the screen you can see some values, like the current through the resistor in this case, and the value of the power dissipation by the resistor. Due to errors in the simulation, these values might be a little off, but as you can see, it's close to 5 milliamps and 25 milliwatts, as can be expected. In the next video, we will change this voltage source into an AC source instead of a DC source, and we'll check out a transient analysis. See you then, bye!